How to draw Ronnie and Santiago. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step of drawing Anne, we're going to begin by making a backward C-like shape on the left hand side of the page. Nice. Now from the top of the C that we just made, we're going to make a upside down V-like shape, with the first side being longer and the second side being shorter. Awesome. Now we're going to use a half circle to connect the left ear all the way over to the right side of the V that we just made. Now below that upside down V, we're going to begin to draw the first eye of Ronnie. We're going to start off by making a small circle. Inside of the circle that we just drew, we're going to add in a small black dot. This will be the pupil. To the left of the eye that we create, we're going to add in two small lines. These will be the eyelashes. Nice, now let's add one more underneath. Now to draw the nose, a little to the right of the eye that we just drew, we're going to use an upside down U-like shape. Next, to the right of the eye that we first drew, we're going to make the second eye of Ronnie. This will connect to the eye that we previously made. Now moving back over to the left and side of the ear, we're going to add in a curved T-like shape for detail. We'll learn how to draw hub crew. This is a great start. Next, we're going to add in a small eyebrow above each eye that we previously drew. Now we can't forget that Ronnie Santiago has freckles, so we're going to go to the left side of her face, right below the nose, and we're going to add in three small dots. These will be the freckles. Nice! Now to be symmetrical, we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side of her face. Next, below the ear, a little to the right, we're going to begin to make a big C-like shape. This will be the left arm of Ronnie. Let's connect that C-like shape to the ear above with a small line. Now we're going to draw the outline of Ronnie's face. We're going to go from that point of where we just met with the C, and we're going to connect it all the way over to the right side of the hair. Now to draw the mouth, we're going to go in that empty space right below the nose, and we're going to make a line that will be going from left to right. To draw the teeth, right on that line, but below, we're going to use two U-like shapes. Nice! Now let's go right below the head. We're going to begin to add in a very small V-like shape. This will be the opening of the jacket of Ronnie. Below the V that we just made, we're going to outline it with one more V-like shape right underneath. Now in the empty space between the C shape and the V shape, we're going to add in the first hand of Ronnie. It will look as if her arms are folded. Now since we have a small gap of space in between the hand and the C-like shape, we're going to use a small line to connect them. Now if you remember a little bit earlier on in the video, I said we're going to make it appear as if Ronnie's arms are folded, so a little to the right we're going to begin to make the second arm. Be sure to go step by step and pause the video as you need to. Now we're going to draw a backward C-like shape connecting from those two small shapes that we just drew. This will connect to the head. Let's add in one more small line to help create the shape of the right arm. Next, we have to make the outline of the bottom portion of Ronnie's jacket. We're going to make a U-like shape going from the left arm all the way over to the right arm. To draw the zipper in the center, we're going to draw a vertical rectangular-like shape. Inside of that shape, we're going to add in small lines going from left to right. On the very bottom, underneath of the hoodie, we're going to make a shape that will look similar to a rectangle. Here we'll add in small lines going up and down. Underneath of that shape, we're going to begin to draw the shorts of Ronnie. This part could be a little tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Next, below the shorts, we're going to begin to draw the legs of Ronnie. We're going to make the first leg on the right hand side. It's going to appear as if her legs are crossed, so we're going to make a backward C-like shape that will connect to the shorts. At the bottom point of that C-like shape that we just drew, we're going to make another C-like shape, but this one will be facing the regular way. This will be the shoe, and then we'll connect this to the shorts as well. Fantastic! Now from that point, we're going to begin to make a C-like shape that is backwards, parallel with the first. Now to help separate the colors of the sock, shoe, and leg, we're going to add in two small lines. Next, we're going to make the second leg and foot on the left-hand side. This one will appear as if it is planted on the ground. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of the video so that we can color our drawing together. We'll add in one small line on the foot to separate the colors of the sock. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. To the left of the hoodie, we're going to begin to add in the hood. We're going to do this by adding in two curved lines that will both be connected. Now last but not least, we're going to start by Ronnie's ear and we're going to draw her ponytail. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Ronnie and Santiago. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big like, and if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe for future videos. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.